Reactive gutter cleaning works for commercial client. Reactive gutter cleaning, a fast fix for overflowing hoppers. When water starts pouring down the side of your building, it's not something you can ignore. That's exactly what happened to one of our commercial clients. After a period of heavy rain, they noticed water cascading over the gutters, not trickling, pouring. Worse still, it was happening right by the main entrance. Naturally, they called us straight away. As soon as we arrived, it was obvious what was wrong. The gutter hoppers were completely blocked. Instead of draining through the downpipes, rainwater was backing up and spilling over. The result, soaked walls, stained bricks, and water collecting where it shouldn't. Thankfully, we were able to act fast. Using our multi-tail MZ250 cherry picker, we gained safe access to the gutters from above. Unlike a ground-based system, this allowed us to carry out a full visual inspection at height and get hands-on with the problem. Right away, we found the culprit. A build-up of leaves, moss, twigs, and silt had compacted in the hopper. Over time, this debris had blocked the flow completely. That's why the gutters were overflowing and why the rainwater had nowhere else to go. Reactive gutter cleaning, a fast fix for overflowing hoppers, so we got stuck in. Because we could position the cherry picker exactly where we needed it, we worked efficiently without disturbing staff or pedestrians. Bit by bit, we cleared the hopper, removed the sludge, and ensured the downpipes were flowing freely again. Within minutes, the water had a clear exit and the overflow stopped. From there, we checked the rest of the system to make sure no other blockages had formed. Fortunately, everything else was running as it should. However, had this not been tackled quickly, the water could have caused long-term issues. For example, prolonged overflow leads to damp patches, cracked render, and damaged pointing. In some cases, it even affects internal walls and ceilings. Therefore, it's always best to act early. In this case, the client had spotted the issue just in time. But it raises an important point. Although reactive gutter cleaning solves the problem after it starts, planned maintenance prevents it in the first place. That's why we always recommend a regular program, typically once in spring and again in autumn. With a proactive approach, there's no need for emergency call-outs, no disruption to your business, no water pouring over customers or staff, just clean, working gutters doing the job they were designed to do. However, when emergencies do happen, as they sometimes will, it helps to know who to trust. That's where we come in. At Alfresco, we've been cleaning commercial gutters across Oxfordshire for nearly 30 years. We turn up when we say we will. We work safely, efficiently, and with minimal disruption. Moreover, we're well equipped for both reactive and planned works, whether it's a cherry picker job like this one or a more complex clean across a multi-story site. So, if you've noticed signs of overflow or if water is running down your walls after every storm, don't wait. Every hour you leave it could make things worse. Instead, give our office a call. We're open Monday to Friday and always happy to help. After all, clean gutters aren't a luxury, they're a necessity. Thank you for watching today's video on the importance of regular gutter cleaning. That's me, Tuvi.